Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to mail merge in Gmail using xFanatical Foresight Automation tool. Mail merge is a powerful tool that allows you to send personalized emails to multiple recipients without having to manually tailor each message. It's particularly useful for businesses and organizations that need to communicate with large groups of people efficiently. xFanatical Foresight Automation tool seamlessly integrates with Gmail, making it easier for users to perform complex actions like mail merges without any hassle. Instructions. First, create a Google Sheet with 2 columns, email address and first name. Next, download the Google Sheet in CSV format. To do this, click on the File button, then select Download and choose comma-separated values. Creation of the rule. Log into your xFanatical Foresight account with your Google admin account. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Step 1. In the Select a Trigger screen, click Data Uploaded Trigger. Click on the Upload box and upload the downloaded CSV. In the Edit Trigger screen, leave all settings at their defaults. Click Next. Step 2. On the Select an Action screen, click the Email action. Click Sign in with Google to grant approvals to xFanatical Foresight in Google Workspace. In the To field, select Email address. Enter a subject and body for your email message. To start your greeting, click the V icon and select the first name variable. Click Review. Step 3. Enter the rule name. Click Create. Rule triggering. Click on the Upload icon and then upload the same CSV file again. The process will take a few seconds. Rule verification. Look for the notification in the top right-hand corner and click on it. Then, select View All. You will see successful rule execution. You can confirm the mail merge process by accessing your Gmail account and checking the Sent folder. Mail merge with multiple templates and rich personalization. This is the second instance of mail merge, using multiple templates with xFanatical Foresight Automation tool. Instructions. Create a Google Sheet with multiple templates such as email address, first name, last name, email template name, purchase date, renewal date, etc. Next, download the Google Sheet in CSV format. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Step 1. In the Select a Trigger screen, click Data Uploaded Trigger. Click on the Upload box and upload the downloaded CSV. Click Next. Step 2. On the Select an Action screen, click If Action. Now, set the condition of this branch. Set the variable to email template name. Set the operator to text as exactly. And input the email template name thank you for your purchase as the value field. Click Add Next Action. Step 3. Select Email Action. Select the email address variable on the To field. Enter the subject line, compose the email message. In the email message body, click on the V icon to populate the variable list and choose the variables. In our demo, we have included the first name variable and the purchase date variable in the email message body. On the right side of the rule graph, return to the If Action. Then, in the If Action, click Add Branch. In the second branch, set conditions similar to the first branch, but adjust the value field. For the second branch, the condition should be email template name. Text is exactly, thank you for your loyalty. Click Add Next Action in the If condition. Step 4. Select the email action. In the To field, select the email address variable. Then, add the subject line and craft another email in the email message body. Navigate back to the If action by clicking the If. Click on Add Branch. Conditions will be email template name, text is exactly, coupon code. Click Add Next Action. Step 5. Select the email action. In the To field, select the email address variable. Then, add the subject line and craft another email in the email message body. Click Review. Step 6. Enter the rule name and click Create. Rule triggering. Click on the Upload icon and then upload the same CSV file again. The process will take a few seconds. Rule verification. Look for the notification in the top right-hand corner and click on it. You will see successful rule execution. Go to your Gmail sent folder and see multiple emails have been sent to different users according to the template name. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.